Okay, friends, it's time for the question of the day in small groups. So, question of the day says, do heavy balls bounce? Do heavy balls bounce? Yes or no? Our first heavy balls are something that is very hard to pick up, or sometimes we can pick it up, but they are very, very heavy. So the first ball is a cannonball. Cannonball. Do a cannonball bounce? No, a cannonball cannot bounce. So we're going to put it under no. The next one is a bowling ball. Is a bowling ball light or is it heavy? You're right. The bowling ball is heavy. When you throw the bowling ball down the lane, does it bounce? You're right. It might bounce just a little, but it's not going to bounce like any other ball, like a basketball or a baseball or a kickball. So, do heavy balls bounce? No, it doesn't bounce. So next on our agenda is clap a friend's name. Clap a friend's name. The first name up is Layla. Layla. Let's clap out Layla's name. Ready? Layla. Let's do it again. Layla. How many times? Good. 2 times. Next up is Jeremiah. Let's clap out Jeremiah's name. Ready? Jeremiah. Let's do it again. Jeremiah. How many times? Good. 4. Our next one is Tariana. Let's clap out Tariana's name. Ready? Tariana. Let's do it again. Tariana. How many times? 4. 4. Next one up is Matthew. Let's clap out Matthew's name. Matthew. Let's do it again. Matthew. How many times? 2. Last, let's do Bella's name. Ready? Bella. Let's do it again. Bella. How many times? 2. Good, friends. Now, here we have the number 2, the number 3, and the number 4. I want to know, how many friends have 2 syllables in their name? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So we're going to do some tally marks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many syllables have 3? How many friends have 3 syllables? Let's count. Do you see a number 3? No. So we're going to put 0. Last, how many friends have 4 syllables in their name? Let's count. 1, 2. Is there any more? No. So let's put 2 marks. Ready? 1, 2. I want to know who has the most. Which number has the most? 2, 3, or 4? 2. Good job. 2 has the most. Who has the least? 3 or 4? 0 or 2? Right. 3 has the least. Good job. Now we're going to go to our small group, which is measuring. Measuring. So with this, we're going to need your parents. We're going to get some yarn, and you're going to measure your head, and then measure your mom's head or your dad's head, and then measure your sister or brother's head. And we're going to see which one is the longest. Here, this one right here is the measurement for my head. I measured my head. And then I took this string and I measured one of my doll's head. So I have a Scooby-Doo doll, and I measured the width of his bottom, of his body. So which one is bigger, the Scooby-Doo head or mine? Right, my head is bigger than my Scooby-Doo doll's head. So this is what we're going to do, switching it around so you can see me. We are going to go and we're going to see. We're going to measure with our string. We're going to measure around some things, and you are going to see if it's the same, if it's bigger or smaller. Okay, so we're going to go in and see some of the items that I have from around my house to see if the items are bigger or smaller. Okay. Sorry, friends. Here we go. So right now, I have a golf ball. Is this golf ball bigger or smaller than my head? Right, smaller. So let me see. Do you think that this golf ball is going to be bigger than my string that I measured? It could be. Let's measure. No, it's not. The golf ball is smaller than my head. What about the Scooby-Doo ball? Scooby-Doo string. Let's try it. Ready? It's smaller. So what I need you to do is take your string and